Hey guys, welcome to Farmville, North Carolina. We got a John Deere dairy farm. Let's get started. So we're going out to a field to found this chisel plow. So let's see if it works like a chisel plow did in real life. It's already been plowed. And it's a field we're going to be putting wheat in. Oops, I hit a car. It's going to be a field that we put wheat in. I'm going the right way. Yes, it seemed like I was. And then the combine's still out there too. Yeah. We've had a busy August. And the alfalfa field's right there. I've got another field. Oh, I got a grass field over that way, but we're going this way. I don't have any fields at the farm itself. They're all away. Like, we're going to be mowing that alfalfa field down hopefully in September. Once I pass this house, and then I may not chisel plow right yet. Maybe I'll see how well it works. We have some time. This gated area, I haven't figured out what to do with that yet, but we own it. I don't know. Maybe I'll cut the grass in it. I don't have a chopper, so all my silage is gonna be bells. And I'm thinking serious about that alfalfa field rapid. Come on, quit passing that car. That's one thing I do like, is you get past. If you're going slow, you get past. You're not hearing the horn honk and you know, all that fun jazz. You're getting past. That's something I like. The only reason I like it is that's real life. There's my combine. It's probably one of the newer ones. We had to replace a belt on that one side. It's probably the newest equipment I have, honestly. I own that, the bean field on the corner, this cornfield, and here's where the wheat is going to go this year. I don't know. I may plant oats. And then another cornfield of mine's right there. I'm pretty sure. Let's see real quick. Yep. Another cornfield of mine. So, let's see if this does what I hope it will do. Oh no, it's like a plow. Well, let's turn it off. We're gonna have to change some equipment. I think I'm gonna keep this for a plow and get rid of my other ones. So, I'll meet you guys back at the farm. All right, we're back to Grandpa's farm. I inherited all this. He's done a lot of work. I think we're going to sell this. Yeah, we're going to sell this. The John Deere 9-shank. Keep the chisel plow, and I'll work on getting something like a disc or something that will level it out. But anyhow, we have Oh wow, a John Deere farm. Here's one of the 4240, which will run mowing equipment, the baler, mowing equipment. This is another one. It's a utility tractor that will run baler, mowing equipment, whatever. The 3650. And this is the planting tractor, the 4430 is. It plants and stuff. It's done some work already because it's dirty. Huh. Oh, that's right. It holds the gravity wagons. As you can see, we have a dairy farm. Here's all that planting equipment. There's plant equipment. There's Grandpa's truck that I'm using now. I'm really thinking about keeping it, but also getting another. The only barn I wish I could change, because it doesn't fit, is this dairy barn here. I got it because it automatically feeds and stuff. The dryer's in there, which will dump corn into that back bin. This would be beans or whatever. I need to get an auger, a small auger. But as you can see, over here is a robot and stuff, and it feeds. I wish there was other cattle barns that would work. But hey, it's doing pretty good at keeping the amount of food in there. Back here's another shed, which I have no clue what I'm going to do with yet. I've got to get those silage bells moved. As I said, we're going to be doing silage bells. This is not going to be a very long video, but yeah, it's, as you can see, we jump this. We've got it going right now, honestly. We do have a pig thing back here, which I'm plotting on feeding pigs out. We have feed to pick up, so we'll see. We'll see about that. I don't like the trees growing in that, because Grandpa never used it much. But we might be able to clean that up some. I don't know. We'll see what it brings, what it does. Might do some fixing up on it, but anyhow, that's what the new series is about. I know this is short. It's a little not as long as normal, but I'm fighting something and don't want to start coughing up a storm or whatever. But if you guys watch Super Bowl tonight, have fun watching it. Remember the commercials. And have a great week. We will maybe dump one midweek. We'll see. Other than that, have a great rest of your weekend. Later, y'all.